This is how I'm going to make ghee from the butter which I had extracted already. So this is a nice heavy bottom vessel. Just put all the butter inside and wait for it to melt. Put it on a low fire, sim. Slowly it will start melting from the butter. You see, look at the color. This is why homemade butter is very good. I've kept fresh drumstick leaves for tempering. You can see the butter melted and the deep yellow color around. So you can see the measurement. I'm getting around 1 liter of melted butter. Can you see the measurement there? Exactly. This is around approximately melted butter. You can see the process. It's just starting to separate. This is how it will look. White froth. The sizzling should stop. Now you can see the ghee separating. See the deep yellow color, and you will get that ferment. That you have to filter then. The ghee almost separated fully. Just have to wait definitely till the sizzling stops. Only then you need to put in the drumstick leaves. See, can you see? The bubbling should stop because there is water content. Now you can see that there's a color change also. You can see a clearly separated ghee now on top, and you will have the sediment below. At this stage you need to be very careful. Keep stirring and wait for the bubbles to stop. It will suddenly start foaming up. That is the point you should put in the drumstick leaves. So much science involved in this process, and that's what makes it more interesting for me. You can see it's almost like foaming up fully. So this is the time I think you need to put in the drumstick leaves. If you leave it for a longer time, then see now it's almost fully liquid, and it's to put in the stand away, get the smell, sit and wait. This is how the ghee will look. Look at the deep yellow color, and also you need to filter this into bottles. Today it will look like oil, but tomorrow it will change. And then I use the fried drumstick leaves for rice. It's very good. This is how the homemade ghee looks. Do try at home. Keep following my channel for more interesting episodes.